Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the TMA MACD indicator for MT4. This hybrid tool blends the smooth responsiveness of the triangular moving average with the proven power of MACD, displaying a histogram and arrows to provide cleaner signals and sharper trend confirmation. In this video you'll see how the TMA MACD works, how the histogram and arrows are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. A TMA MACD indicator for MT4 is a hybrid trading tool that combines two widely respected technical analysis concepts, which are the triangular moving average (TMA) and the moving average convergence divergence (MACD). The TMA component places more weight on the middle portion of a price series rather than equaling weighting all data points, reducing volatility and producing cleaner charts without excessive noise. While the MACD component measures the relationship between two moving averages of price, typically the 12 period and 76 period exponential moving averages, with the histogram visualizing momentum strength by representing the difference. On the chart, the TMA MACD displays as a histogram in a separate window below the main chart, with bars changing color based on momentum direction, making it easy to identify bullish and bearish conditions at a glance. Directional arrows also appear when specific conditions align, providing clear visual alerts for potential entry points without requiring complex interpretation. The histogram turning positive indicates strengthening bullish momentum, particularly when aligned with TMA direction, while turning negative reflects growing bearish momentum. For bearish signals, traders should watch for the histogram turning positive with arrows pointing upward, indicating potential uptrend initiation, as we can see here on the chart. This green arrow over here and a positive histogram, and again over here the positive histogram. For bearish signals, traders look for the histogram turning negative with downward arrows signaling potential downtrend. As we can see here on the chart, a downward arrow and a negative histogram. Traders can customize parameters on the indicator, especially the arrow colors. Yeah, normally when you set it up, the arrow for up, the upward arrow will be white, so you can change it to green or blue, whatever suits your trading style. You can also adjust its time frame, its fast half length and slow half length, and its price. And you can decide whether you want to use a histogram or line or tape. The TMA MACD indicator is suitable for trend followers who need momentum confirmation, scalpers on lower time frames capturing micro movements, and reversal traders looking for divergence between histogram and price action. Its strengths include reduced false signals through TMA smoothing, clear histogram and arrow visualization, adaptability across currency pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, and combination of two strong indicators in one tool. However, like most moving average based tools, it has a lagging nature, with signals appearing after price movement has begun. It is not a standalone solution, requiring combination with support and resistance or candlestick patterns, and beginners may need practice to interpret signals correctly, requiring backtesting before live use. You can download the TMA MACD indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how merging TMA smoothing with MACD momentum tracking creates a refined tool with histogram bars and directional arrows for clearer entry signals and reduced market noise. If you like hybrid indicators that combine moving average smoothing with momentum oscillators, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.